Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to enable the don't distribute mode. This option is very useful if you don't want to call anyone or don't want a contact from anyone. And to do this, just slide 2 times your upper bar, go on the right, and here you have a don't distribute mode. If you want to enable, just tap it, or if you want to get settings of it, just tap it and hold it like this. You can turn it on, and you can turn it on as shielded, which is grateful because the option gonna be turn on the night, on the hours which you choose here, and the days which you choose here. You can allow the exception if you want to call, get call from your girl, from your wife, kids, parents. You can choose the message from you want to get call, and many more reminders or very any options. And you can hide the notification you won't see or exist notification. You can hide the option which you want. You can hide all if you want it. I think the turn on as shielded for the don't distribute mode is very good. I love it, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!